Okay, so for our next lesson, we'll not worry about the first questions. We've done questions like this. I'm going to look at this one here. Find the first 5 terms when the nth term is given. So what that means is you're putting n to be 1 for the first term, put n to be 2, put n to be 3, put n to be 4, put n to be 5. So for this one, I'll just do a few of these. Put n to be 1. 5 times 1 is 5, take away 1. Put n to be 2. 5 times 2 is 10, take away 1. Put n to be 3. 5 times 3 is 15, take away 1. Put n to be 4. So it's 20, take away 1. Put n to be 5. 25, take away 1. Okay. So for the first term, put n to be 1. 6, take away 1. Put n to be 2 for the second term. 6, take away 2. Put n to be 3 for the third term. Put n to be 4. Put n to be 5. So first term just means n is 1. 1 squared is 1. Add 3. For the second term, n squared is 2. 2 squared is 4. Add 3. Now in the third term, so 3 squared is 9. Add 3. In the fourth term, 4 squared is 16. Add 3. And the fifth term, n squared is 25. Add 3. And this one here, first term n is 1. Second term n is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Third term n is 3. Fourth term is 4 divided by 2. And the fifth term. Okay, so find the 10th term. So 2 times n is 20. And the 50th term, 2 times 50 is 100. So the 10th term, 20 take away 10. And the 50th term, 20 take away 50. And for this one, the nth term, the 10th term, 10 squared, and then 50 squared. Now, this is a wee bit more work here, finding the nth term. So I want you to write down these steps. So the nth term steps. So number 1, find what it goes up or down in, and write this number. So find what it goes up or down in, and write this number in front of n. So what do I mean by that? See where this is going up in 5s? So write down 5n. See where this is going up in 4s? 4n. This is going up in 5s? 5n. This is going up in 1s? 1n. This one's going up in 4s? 4n. This one's going down in 3s, so minus 3n. This one's going down in 2s, so minus 2n. This one's going down in 5s, minus 5n. And this one's going down in 1s. Okay. And then what you do, put in n equals 1, because that's for the first term, and see what you need to add or subtract to get the first term. Right, what on earth do I mean by that? If you put in 1, 5 times 1 is 5, my first term is 5, so I'm finished. Put in n equals 1, 4 times 1 is 4, I want it to be 5, so I add 1. Put n equals 1, 5 times 1 is 5, my first term should be 3, so you take away 2. Put in 1, 1 times 1 is 1, it should be a 6, so you have to add 5. Put in 1, 4 times 1 is 4, it should be a 1, take away 3. Minus 3 times 1 is minus 3, and that's what it is. Nothing more needed. Minus 2 times 1 is minus 2, it should be an 8, so from minus 2 up to 8 you have to add 10. Minus 5 times 1 is minus 5, it should be a minus 3, so you have to go up 2. Minus 1, it should be a 5, so you have to go up 6. So whenever you're doing these questions, the nth term is always 2 parts. So let's do them both together. It's going up in 2s, so it's 2n. 2 times 1 is 2, it should be a 5, add 3. This is going up in 3s, so 3n. 3 times 1 is 3, it should be a 2, take away 1. This is going up in 10s, so 10n. 10 times 1 is 10. You want 13. Add 3. This one's going up in sixes, so 6n. 6 times 1 is 6. You want it to be 8. Add 2. This one's going up in twos, so 2 times n. Then you try for the second bit, put n equals 1. 2 times 1 is 2. You want it to be 7. Add 5. This one's going down in tens, minus 10n. You want it to be a minus 10, so we're finished. This one's going down in threes, minus 3n. So minus 3 should be a 6, so you add 9. Okay. This one's going down in twos. You want it to be a minus 3. You've got a minus 2, take away 1. And this one's going down in ones, minus 1. You want it to be in minus 7. So if you're at minus 1, to get to minus 7, you take away 6. So you do it in 2 bits. You find what it goes up and down in, and then you put n equals 1 and see what you have to do to get your first term. Okay, we matchstick 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. They're adding 3 each time. So it's adding 3. So I'll just fill this in by adding 3. Now, to find the nth term here, see where it's going up in threes? So you write 3n. 3 times 1 is 3. You want the first term to be 4, so you add 1 to it. So our wee expression was 3n add 1. Let's double check that. Yep. So pattern number 10. 3 times 10 is 30, add 1. Which pattern number has 49 matchsticks? So this one, for part D, you take your total matchsticks and put it equal to 49. Bring your 1 across, take away. Bring your 3 across and divide. So it's a 16th pattern number. She can make using 80 matchsticks. Well, let's see. Can it equal 8? If you bring that across, you get 79. It doesn't go in evenly. So, doesn't go in evenly. So, no is the answer. Okay. Number of black tiles is always 1. Sorry. Number of white tiles is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're adding 4 each time. Okay. Total number of tiles is 5, 9, 13, 17. Okay. Let's work out our formula. Okay, using a rule. So it's going up in fours. So it's 4n. 4 times 1 is 4. You want it to be 5. Okay. So the total number of white tiles would just be 4n. This was 4n plus 1. I did the total tiles there. Which pattern number has 44 white? So where's the white formula? The white formula is there. So 4n is 44. So n equals the 11th. Which pattern has 53 tiles altogether? So for part E, it's the total tiles equals 53. Bring your 1 across, take it away. Bring your 4 across and divide, and you get 13th. So it's the 13th. Dougie's pattern is 97 tiles in total. Just put equal to your formula, bring that across. Bring your 4 across and divide. So it's the 24th pattern number. Okay, I think that will do us for that one.